Tagalog, Bisayan.
No! Para mag-start na.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, silence. Ang instruction nako, kung makabati mo og word nga right, ang gigunita ninyo nga gift ipasa sa right. Kung makabati mo og word nga left, ibalik ninyo sa left ang gigunitan, ang nagunitan na ninyo nga gift. No?
Isa lang ka, Faith.
Ha?
Isa lang ka.
Depende kung kapila ninyo na word, na batian ang word nga right or left. Okay. So, Christmas with the right family.
Okay, right.
Christmas with the right family.
Ayaw ko siya.
Ready na?
Okay, ready.
Oh, sige.
Just in beginning daw.
Go. Christmas was almost here, and Mother Right
Alright, atak na kang Maldo.
was finishing the Christmas baking. Father Right
Alright na, right. Dire, regel.
and Billy Right returned from the last-minute Christmas shopping.
Hoy, pasa ninyo, kulang naman eh. Pasa.
Ayaw mo sulti ba? Usalay mo sulti para magkasamot tayo mo para mahuman.
Pili po mo maglihok, magkambyo sa inyong gift. Kumuha mo kapati o left or right. Bahala ng istorya ko. Pabayaan ninyo ang istorya. Basta kayo ang paminawa ang word nga left ba or right.
Silent!
Mas ba na ko pagbasa ang story? Bisag na ang dili na ang inyong igunitan. Basa lang yan. Christmas was almost here and Mother Right was finishing the Christmas baking. Father Right So Right and Billy Right returned from their last-minute Christmas shopping. There's not much left.
Oh, not bali.
Father Right. As he went into the kitchen, talking to Mother Right.
Lunchbox ba? Ilan kayo ba?
Ayaw ko puta kayo mo. Dahil mo labas
Did you leave the basket of food at the church? Asked Mother Right. I left. It's right. Where you told me, said Father Right. I'm glad my shopping is done, said Billy Right. I don't have any money left.
Grabe po rin nata ka niya.
The whole telephone rang and Susan Right left to answer it. and told the family, Aunt Tilly, right?